So what we're doing this weekend is we're going down to Southern Illinois. We got the Tacoma all set up for camping this year, the bed rack and the rooftop tent. We're going to do some camping this weekend. Hopefully we're able to get out and do some light overlanding or something like that this summer or fall. This is our maiden voyage. It's going to be a short trip. We're just going to test everything out and see how everything works. We're probably loaded down way more than we need to be. Spencer and Tori are behind us. They're going to.
You have fun with me in the car?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's me and you. It is party of two.
What's been the most exciting part of the drive so far?
Nothing. We did stop at Shields, picked up more camping stuff, got me a pillow and a chair, and we forgot the Blackstone that I specifically bought for camping. So I had to stop and get a camp griddle. Got a jet boil. That was probably the most exciting part.
For my coffee.
We are in Southern Illinois. This is probably where we are going to retire.
There he is, doing all the work like he always does. Getting set up, our first night. Hope came with us, keeping guard. Was it too hard? Was it very hard to put up?
No.
Probably help if I knew what I was doing. I'll get there.
I don't even know if they can see us.
I don't think they can see my pillow.
Night one. Had a couple beverages. Nice bonfire. It is absolutely completely pitch black back here.
Mm-hmm.
You know what, you turn the lights off, it's dark. You can see more stars than you could even begin to count. It was an interesting setup, honestly.
First time ever, there were some hiccups.
So we're gonna sit here and look through the skylight and fall asleep.
I'm gonna snore soon. I'm tired.
Hey everyone. Hope you enjoy this drone footage as I talk a bit here. Unfortunately, we didn't get much of the camp setup process for you on camera. Being our first time, it was a little crazy, and it was an all hands on deck situation. The weekend got busy really fast, and I didn't have much time to get the camping footage that I wanted to. The next day, Stephanie had to go to a baby shower for our niece Hallie, and Spencer and I had a diaper shoot to attend for Caleb. You might remember him from our extreme dodgeball video. The diaper shoot was a great get-together for all the guys, where everyone brought Caleb what seemed to be a whole pallet full of diapers. We had some great food and then spent the rest of the day shooting clay pigeons. I did get some footage of the diaper shoot that I will play here shortly. It turned out to be a fun day, and hey, I won $65 shooting clays. We really appreciate all of you watching, and we hope to get better at these vlog style videos as we move forward with the YouTube channel.
Cool.
Pull.
Pull.
Whoa.
Am I out?
No.
Oh. Alright, pull. Pull. Oh.
Yeah, why are you waiting on me? It's his turn first.
Go.
Ow!
Pull it.
That was pretty good, right?
Pull.
Yeah, I'm sure it's that. You're not stupid.
Oh!
Oh my goodness. That's a rare occurrence right there, boys.
What are you trying to say?
No, I'm saying scrap missing.
Yeah.
Pull.
Oh!
I shoot left-handed too, so that's.
Yeah, it's fine. It's the same thing. You gotta have a strong wrist.
I'm not left-handed, so no.
It's fair.
You're
That's
left-handed,
a fair assessment. Yeah, I like that. Fair assessment of the situation. You're not left-handed. Shoot left-handed. That's weird, man. Change that up. Oh, no, ready? Man, that's weird.
Oh!
We didn't get much recording done for camping, but before we packed up, I figured I'd show you around our campsite a little bit, even though a lot of it got thrown around last night because at about 2:30 in the morning it started raining. So I was out here in my underwear throwing stuff under the truck and under the tent. We had a good time nonetheless. Give you a little tour. 2020 Tacoma, we really like this truck. Here comes Stephanie. Opie the camp dog. Like the Smitty built tent. It's not too bad to put up. We didn't have that rain fly up last night, of course. That was one thing I had to hurry up and get taken care of. But it sleeps 2 people. Easily, you could probably do 2 people and a small kid. I don't know if I'd go over 2 people though. That bed rack's a Hook Road bed rack. If I had bought the bed rack myself, the Toyota dealership bought the bed rack, but I would probably want to went with a different bed rack. The truck's got 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires. It gets around pretty good. Show you what we got going on back here. And we run the IceCo refrigerator, freezer. Keeps everything nice and cold. On the other side, we got the Blue Eddy 1500 watt solar generator. That guy runs that portable freezer fridge long time. Plus during the day when the sun's out, I throw the solar panel on it and it does a good job. This is our portable potty. Let me tell you, when you gotta go do your thing at 4 o'clock in the morning, this thing is short and it's like threading a needle. Even though it's very packable, either I need to lose weight or we might have to get another solution. First camp is done, over with. Being out on the ranch makes things a lot easier. Not far from anything if we ever needed anything, but you know. But that's good for the first time around, get used to the whole setup. And we love it down here. We do camp down here. You know, this is our little slice of heaven to get away and do some fishing and hunting and camping and just have a good time. And I don't know, I probably said it once before, this is probably where we're going to retire. We love it down here. Peace out.